Let me take it across to Harsh, my colleague, and find out what have been the chronology of the events and why exactly has this happened and what does it really mean for investors.
Well, plenty happening at RBL Bank over the weekend, and the RBI has appointed an additional director on the board of RBL, and that has coincided with the long-term current managing director and CEO, Mr. Vishwavir Ahuja, proceeding on leave with reasons given to be medical. Reasons broadly, though, for both have not been documented in detail. The RBI has not given any explanation for it, and announcements made seem to be unusual simply because that the fact that they've coincided and they're made suddenly on Christmas Day. RBI generally nominates directors on the board of banks when it believes that there is scrutiny needed on financial performance or corporate governance issues, or both, of course. The executive director, Mr. Rajeev Ahuja, was named the interim MD and CEO, and he held a press conference and an investor concall wherein he tried to allay fears in the investor community. He said that the RBI has fully backed the bank. The bank is well capitalized with a good capital adequacy of over 16%, and the bank also has surplus liquidity. The bank is also well placed to execute the strategy of the board, and that there is no change in the strategy of the board as of now. He, though, gave no material reasons for the back-to-back announcements, which has been the concern for investors. CLSA continues to maintain and outperform with a target price of 200 rupees a share. It is in fact surprised by the move by the RBI and says that it will continue to maintain a keen eye on how the second half of FY22 plays out for the bank. Investec, on the contrary, said that it is going to re-review what it feels on RBL Bank. RBL, of course, has strong capitalization versus other instances where RBI intervention has happened. However, they have changed their recommendation to under review, and Motilal too has kept their recommendation as under review with management guidance of ROAs of 1% plus. Motilal saying that may not happen. Broadly, this is how RBL has been playing out, and a very interesting day in front of us for RBL Bank. Keep an eye out for that.